Hello, guys. I welcome you to today's episode, and my name is Derek Stevenson. So, simply you can call me a full call Joe. And in today's episode, we are looking at the proverb, but we are looking at different form of the proverb. And this form of proverb that we are looking at today is in literature. We will call it a personified proverb because the character or the subject of this proverb is a non-living thing but behaving as human. It's not a human but behaving as human. So let's get started. Agomado is on a vitodo la plano pola. Nyatapo matroma nyeba kauanio guaye yodo. Nyatala na mia strong nia alemia for the conple nyaba Abebubu mia ajuda nugo tagba mia la nukuda Abebubu adawono Abebubu banto sinu mia la nukuda ala baglomba bonkukuba ye no jomokonu bonkukuba ye no jomokonu. And for me to translate this literally, I may say a dead goat says it's in fire but laugh or smile. A dead goat says it's in fire but smile. You know what? When anytime that you kill a goat and you are about taking the fires with fire, it looks like it's smiling. So that's why they look at that happenings and they frame these types of proverb and say a dead goat said it's in fire but it smile. The second one that we're looking at it says a chocolate be yelina avum. That means yesterday Banku says it's there for dog. Yesterday Banku says it is there for dog. And the third one that we are looking at in today's episode is Bababa Yemabiachi Amadaka Happy Chua Yawa Bababa Yemabiachi Amadaka Happy Chua Yawa. And the fourth one that we're looking at today says Achaheba Egbekwe Nyato. And literally it means a guinea fowl says just today, it's just today that is yours. And the fifth one that we are looking at today says Akpoklobe yela honklon gaka yela nojo. Akpoklobe yela honklon gaka yela nojo. And literally it means a frog says it's shouting but it's silent. A frog say even it's shouting but it's silent. And the sixth one that we're looking at for today is saying Agbali Jajaba Yedajra to play tachi domo. Agbali Jajaba Yedajra to play tachi domo. And Agbali Jaja is a cooked cassava that is hard, and it says a cooked cassava says it brings a fight between the mortar and the pestle. It brings a fight between the mortar and the pestle. And the sixth one that we're looking at today says Agamaba Amebua Adoki Hafi Obuni Eyatai Yazwan Fiazwanido. Agamaba Amebua Adoki Eye Hafi Obune Eyatai Yazwan Efiazwanido. And literally it means a chameleon says respect is reciprocal. That's why he used to walk like a king. A chameleon says one has to respect himself for him to be respected. That's why he used to walk like a king. And the seventh one that we're looking at today says Agalaba Magba ha azonye. Agalaba Magba ha azonye. And literally it means a crab says going back or walking backwards is also a type of walking. Walking backwards is also a type of walking. And I can say a crab says every motion or every movement, even backward movement, is also a movement. And the ninth one that we are going to look at today says Agamabe kaba kaba azonye blow blow azonye. Says it means chameleon says walking fast is also walking, and walking slowly too is also walking. Every walk is a walk. And the last one that we are looking at in this episode says Agajika seba awa yawo bota chimano jajam yawo banada agblahoma o. Agajika seba awa yawo bota chimano jajam yawo banada agblahoma o. And literally this means a mouse says it happens to them before. So that's why when it's raining, they don't hide in the tents of the farmer. A monkey says it happens to them before. So that's why when it's raining, they don't find shelter in the tent of the farmer. Thank you for listening to this wonderful episode, and also let me know what you think about this type of teaching. And you can follow me on Facebook, or Sawano. You can also get in touch with me if you want to join my WhatsApp platform. You can reach me out on +233 242 582123.